guys, and welcome to my Pura Vida kitchen. This is the beginnings of my new outdoor Costa Rican kitchen. I apologize now for the rain noise. It's rainy season and we have a tin room. So I'm hoping that my microphone is picking up enough of my voice that it's not going to look weird. But if not, I will be putting subtitles. Okay? So today we're making shepherd's pie. I put out on my Twitter a request for some suggestions for what people would like to see me make, and I got a ton of really good suggestions. One of the very good suggestions was to make something authentically Costa Rican, and I will get to that shortly, but one of the ideas was also for shepherd's pie. And shepherd's pie is a long-term family favorite of ours. It's been a long time since we've had it, and right away, I keyed that would be a great recipe to start with in my reasonably new kitchen. The good thing about shepherd's pie is you can make it with almost anything you want. Traditionally it's made with lamb. I'm not going to be doing that. I usually make it with ground beef, but you can make it with ground pork too if you like. If you want to go lean, you can do ground chicken, but it's a little dry in my estimation. The things you need: ground beef, potatoes. We'll be peeling, boiling, and mashing those for the top. The middle row, I always use corn because my family loves corn. It's my favorite vegetable. But you can use mixed vegetables. Lots of people use peas and carrots and corn. You can put pretty much whatever you want in the middle layer. The shepherd's pie is literally just 3 layers: meat, vegetable, potato, and then baked like a casserole. It's a ridiculously easy meal to make. It's super easy to make in large quantities, and it's even better because it's easy to throw in the fridge and reheat later. I've got water boiling over there for the potatoes, so we will cut those up and throw them in the pot and get them boiling while I get ready to start on the meat. Ready? They just need to be mashed now. And a ton of butter, because I love them nice and buttery. I've never used this mixer before. Brand new. Facial now. Almost ready. friend Noble made a very good point. He says he's going to tell his kids that this is Wilma Flintstone, and it didn't even occur to me until he said it that I really do look like Wilma Flintstone. I would let you go bowling, Mikey.
Thanks, Mama.
So it's dinner time. That's why I'm here. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Oh, it's pretty good. So, there's better lighting. It's probably too hot to eat. Yeah. Thank you, my love. Time to serve dinner, guys. Cheers.